Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. Firstly, access settings. Then you need to scroll down, choose notifications and status bar, click on manage notifications, scroll down and pick one of your apps. For example, Amazon Music. Then when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, click at the same switcher. You can also click on one of your apps and adjust notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!